modern Olympic game. And the modern Olympic game was started by Baron de Coubertin of France. Once again, I am repeating the name Baron de Coubertin, and he was born in Paris on 1862. His family member wanted him to join the army, but he left it and started studying political science. And by political science, he came to know about the national and international problem. And he thought that national and international problems could be solved through Olympic Games. So, for this purpose, he called a meeting in 1893, but some country opposed it. After that, again he called a meeting in 1894, and it was resolved that sports competition will be held every fourth of year. So the first modern Olympic game were held in Athens in 1896, and who started? Baron de Coubertin. Now three Olympic games could not be held due to World War, but this time not three, now four Olympic. In 1916 due to World War First, in 1940 due to World War Second, and in 1944 due to World War Second. But in 2020, Japan was going to organize Olympic game, but due to COVID-19 it cancelled. So who started modern Olympic game? Baron de Coubertin in 1896 at Athens, Greece. Now, rules for competitor in modern Olympic game. In ancient Olympic game, only males were allowed to take participate, but in the modern Olympic game, all males and female can participate, and these sports person should send by the National Olympic Committee. Now next, opening ceremony of modern Olympic game. Now how opening ceremony begin? First of all, Olympic torch, जिसको मशाल बोलते हैं, is lit through sun rays in Olympic village ग्रीस, यानी जहाँ से सबसे पहले शुरू हुए थे ओलंपिक गेम्स एथेंस से, वहाँ से मशाल को जलाया जाता है, एंड इट इज़ ब्रॉड टू दैट सिटी वेयर द ओलंपिक गेम्स आर गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड। और अब जहाँ होने वाले हैं ओलंपिक गेम, वहाँ पे वो मशाल पहुँचाई जाती है। एंड आफ्टर दैट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर और प्रेसिडेंट डिक्लेयर द गेम open in the stadium. Before all this process, all the sports person take part in march past, and they take oath. Closing ceremony of Olympic game. For closing ceremony, first of all the sports person from all the countries assemble in the stadium, and after that the mayor of the city and the president escort to the stadium. Then he declared the game closed. After that the Olympic flag is lowered down, and it is given to the mayor of the city. Now the next topic is Olympic symbol, and the Olympic symbol was also created and designed by Baron de Coubertin, and the first symbol is Olympic flag, and the Olympic flag, which is of milky white texture, in the background with 5 interlinked rings of different color, and the various colors are like blue, yellow, black, green and red, and they present they represent 5 different continents also. Next, Olympic motto. Olympic motto is made from 3 Latin words, Citius, Altius, Fortius, which means faster, higher and stronger. Next is Olympic flame or torch, and the Olympic flame is a symbol of life, happiness and peace, and this flame is lighted in the Olympic village of Athens, and it is carried by the runner to the place where the Olympic games are going to be organized. It's mean कि सबसे पहले जहाँ से ओलंपिक स्टार्ट हुए थे ये वहाँ पे टॉर्च जलाई जाती है, उसके बाद वेयर द ओलंपिक गेम्स आर गोइंग टू बी कंडक्ट उस टॉर्च को वहाँ पहुँचाया जाता है, एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस इट कीप्स बर्निंग. And the last one is Olympic award. Now the first, second and third position holders are awarded with the gold, silver and bronze medals and a certificate, and the next 5 position holders are also awarded with certificates only. Your next topic is Olympic ideal and objective. And what is Olympic ideal? Olympic ideal is not to win but to take part. Next is objective of Olympic. Now there are various objectives of Olympic, and according to Baron de Coubertin, the various objectives can be achieved through Olympic games. And the first one is to develop personality, character, citizenship qualities. Next is to develop patriotism and fraternity among sports person. Next is to develop international peace, and the last one is not to have any discrimination of caste and religion. It means by conducting the Olympic games we can achieve all these objectives. Now your next topic is development of value through Olympism, and the following values can be developed through Olympism, and the first one is friendship. So the Olympic games provide many opportunities to develop friendship not only among the participants but among the nations or countries also. And the next is fair play. Olympic enhance the chances of fair play, and fair play is based on justice. It means rules regulation for all the nations and for all the teams are same. Next is solidarity, and through Olympic it enhance the brotherhood and unity among the nation. And the last one is free from discrimination, and Olympic games are free from discrimination. There will be no discrimination of caste and religion. Your next topic is IOC, and IOC stands for International Olympic Committee. And IOC is the governing body of the Modern Olympic Games. It means Modern Olympic Games organized by IOC, and IOC headquartered in Lausanne, Switzerland, and it was also established by Baron de Coubertin on 23 June 1894. So Modern Olympic Games and IOC both was organized by Baron de Coubertin. Now Olympic Games held in every 4 years, and there are two type of Olympic Games, winter and summer. And the first summer Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece in 1896, and the winter Olympic Games were held in France in 1924. And both the summer and winter Olympic Games were organized by IOC. Now next is member of committee in IOC. Now in the IOC, first one is president, and the president is elected for a term of 8 years, and the current IOC president is Thomas Bach. Next is vice president. In the IOC there are 4 vice president, and the term of vice president is 4 years. Next is executive board, and there are 10 members are included in executive board. Now next, main function of IOC. The first one is the place where the Olympic Games will be organized is decided by IOC. So it means which country is going to organize Olympic Games, that will be decided by IOC. Next is rules and regulation set by IOC. So which rules and regulation will be follows, that all will be decided by IOC. Next is it encourage and support the promotion of women in sports. Next is it lead the fight against doping. And the last one is it encourage the development of sports. So these all are the function of IOC. Indian Olympic Association. IOA was established in 1927, and Sir Dorabji Tata and Dr. Nohrain became the founder president and general secretary. And in the 1928, Sir Dorabji Tata resigned from the post of president of IOA. After that, Maharaja Bhupender Singh became the president of IOA. And in the 1928, first time Indian hockey team took part in the Olympic game, and our Indian team won the gold medal. Now various member committees are formed by IOA. There are 1 president, there are 9 vice president, 6 joint secretary, and 1 general secretary. Next is objectives of IOA. Now there are various objectives of IOA: development and promotion of Olympic Games, encouragement of physical, moral, social values, and brotherhood and cooperation development.